Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to walk through how to install Gemma 4 locally. To do that, we first need to set up Ollama on our system. Let's start by opening up a web browser, heading over to Google, typing in Ollama, and hitting enter. The official website will pop up right at the top, ollama.com. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a prominent download button. Click that and the site will automatically detect your operating system. Since we are on Windows, simply click Download for Windows to start the installer download. Once the .exe setup file finishes downloading, right-click on it and select Open to launch the installation wizard. We can minimize the browser window now. When the setup screen appears, just click Install to begin installing Ollama onto your Windows machine. Now that the installation is complete, let's head down to the Start menu, type in CMD, and open up the command prompt. To verify that everything installed correctly, type Ollama, version, and press enter. You'll see the version number right there, confirming a successful setup. Next, let's head back over to the Ollama website and click on the Models tab at the top. From the list of available models, locate Gemma 4 and click on it. Here is the Gemma 4 page, showing the latest updates. Scroll down a bit to see the available versions. Select the latest version tag right here. You'll see it has a file size of 9.6 gigabytes along with its context window specifications. Click on it and you'll find the exact command needed to pull and install this specific version. Click the copy icon right next to it. Now, switch back over to your command prompt window, right-click to paste the command, and press enter. Since this model is 9.6 gigabytes, the download will take a bit of time depending on your internet connection, so let's wait for it to complete. And there we go. Gemma 4 has successfully installed on our machine. To launch it and start interacting with it, you can execute the command right here. Once it opens up, you'll see that the Gemma 4 E4B model is ready and active. If you ever need to verify your local inventory, you can always double-check your installed models list to see that it was downloaded successfully. You're now completely set up and ready to start working with it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.